My name is Mohit Gauriar. I'm an education entrepreneur. For some time, I've been dabbling about this thought of starting my journey as a coach. And of course, like everyone, I researched quite a few programs and then kind of, got into a program with Indrajit with Grow More Avenues. About this program, what I really liked, and that was what my expectation was right at the beginning. The program, as my expectation, it turned out to be extremely practical, um extremely implementable. Okay, so for someone like me, I was looking for hands-on support and something which is absolutely practical, with which I can implement in the marketplace right away. So the sessions with Indrajit gave a lot of those insights into it being practical and how it can be implementable in the market. And now I really look forward, to start my coaching journey. I mean, I'm almost towards the end of the sessions, and very soon I see myself as a coach in the market. About Indrajit, he's intelligent, he's practical, and you know he's very sound, as a trainer, and he has a great presence, and he answers all the questions very patiently. In fact, I had a lot of questions while I was getting in the program and while I was going through it. So I am really happy. And if you are someone like me who resonate with me in the sense, like if you want to learn a skill, become a valuable person, and use that value and get started with a business, in this case coaching, look at this program very seriously. You won't be disappointed. Thank you.